Once your application is fully developed and thoroughly tested, you are ready to publish it to the intended audience. To proceed with this, navigate to the Build menu specifically for either iOS or Android, depending on the platform you wish to deploy your app on. Then, create your first build to initiate the process. An overview of your account will be displayed prominently on the screen, along with the selected name for the application, your personalized icon, and your custom loading screen. If all of this information is correct and accurate, please click on Start Deployment. The application is currently being built. It typically takes about 10 minutes for the entire application to be fully built and ready. Next, you will need to create a detailed listing for the Apple Store or Play Store, ensuring all necessary information is included so that it can be thoroughly reviewed by the platform's dedicated reviewers for approval.